What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory. Safety is number one priority. And for this experiment we're gonna need a fire extinguisher close by, because safety is number one priority and we're gonna be using fire. And for this experiment we're gonna need couple CDs, lighter, scissors, and let's get to it. Okay, what I learned, if it's like already printed CD, you know, some kind of album, it's really hard to separate them in between. So you're gonna need one of those blank CDs and it's really easy. You're gonna cut them in half and they separate almost right away while you're cutting them. Look, that's what we're gonna need, this part. And you see how I didn't cut all the way, because I'm gonna be just like pushing it on this side right here, peel on it and pull it out. This part we're gonna need, you see, like it's clear, and this part with this stuff we're not gonna need. Alright, and then you're gonna need a lighter. Kids, do not try this at home unless you have adult supervision and they letting you do it or showing you how to do it. Anyways, fire extinguisher close by, and this is what we're gonna do. We grab this part like this, sideways, and apply fire on it till you see like it starts like a small dent coming down. Like apply like circles, and then you gotta be quick, blow on it. You gotta be really quick. Is that insane? Check this out. It's like a bag. Look how big this hole is. Start this again. It's pretty hot. Okay, we're gonna make a dent. Pretty insane, huh? We're just gonna blow on now. Let's start this in super slow motion. Look how long it is. It's pretty crazy, huh? Alright, that's it. Safety is number one priority. Fire extinguisher close by, face mask, eye protection. Let me know, what do you think? How does it work scientifically? I'm sure a lot of people are gonna start making a lot of jokes about something, but it's cool. Keep up some cool comments, and that's it. Alright, for those who are asking why I don't post a lot of videos anymore, well, because I have second channel, Crazy Russian Vlog. Check it out, links are in the description below, and subscribe.